Mom won't stop snoring. It's so funny. But I'm trying to be as quiet as I can. She's snoring right now. It's so funny. I don't know what to do. I can't see what my brothers are doing. It's dark. So you can see the lamp. There's not many light in here. This. So you can see it. But at my perspective, yeah, it's really light. It's really cool at the night. I like my mom's room. But she won't stop snoring. It's annoying. I am getting a little bit tired. This is gonna be just a short, I guess. Should I make another channel? Nah. This one's fine. What should I do right now? I'm waiting for them. I can't see my brothers. Over there. I can see them in my perspective. Can't see Mama. But if I do this, might be a little bright. Dang it, I can't turn on flashlight mode. That it? Yeah, it's just normal still. Oh crud.